SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So, we're going to tap right on in, man. I was just here with you on yesterday. Gave you a nice top down. Now we're here today. We have, again, a new monthly candle has been printed. As you can see here, price came up, came into these equal highs, pierced them, showed respect, and then this candle here is right here at the same level. Once this pierce has happened, um, and then we show respect, we know now monthly resistance is here. We have this monthly high here from the pierce of these equal highs. We know monthly resistance is here. As you can see, this candle is a small light candle here. Doji, if you will, but a smaller candle, less liquidity, basically just showing the strength of buyers here at this level. And what is this level? Resistance. So we know what price is doing here on the monthly. We see what candle print was established here. And now to determine what price is doing here, scale down to the weekly. And again, as you can see, and then also I'm here, new month, and also we got a daily swing point. So, right on time with dropping the video. Like I said, significant levels or significant points in the market, I'll come and drop a video, swing points, and then, my weekly top-down analysis. And then the close of candles, like monthly time frame, and then of course weekly, every week. But as you can see on the weekly time frame, this bullish engulfing here, closing above the weekly retracement trend line, and now we can see price come down and retest this level, right? And we know price pierced these equal lows here, giving us weekly support, and we can anticipate price coming up and attacking these highs. So let's scale down to the daily, see what type of price action we are encountering here. Now on the daily, we just encountered this bearish engulfing, which has given us a swing point, swing to swing, low, high. We encountered this breaker structure here. We can encounter a retracement. This is the snipe zone of this move, and then take profit levels. Now we got this swing to swing, and now we got this swing to swing. We got this bearish engulfing, so now we know price on the daily time frame is in the retracement phase. Now, since price is in a retracement phase, we're analyzing the retracement or reading the retracement. So with that being said, reading the retracement, we know we got swing to swing. Now, what levels are in between these swing points that can cause price to encounter its continuation? Now, of course, we have this retracement trend line. Then price can come down, retest, and encounter its continuation. And then we have snipe zone, daily structure here that can cause price to encounter its continuation. So now that we have identified these levels, we know what levels can cause price to encounter its continuation. So now we know what price or what to now we know what to like analyze, or when to analyze price at what levels or what points in the market. You know what I mean? So with price giving that expansion, this reversal, this breaker structure, and now prices in this retracement phase, we know again what levels that are identified that can cause price to encounter its continuation. So now, in order to know what type of price action we are getting here inside this daily, to determine what price is doing here, scale down to the 12-hour. Now on the 12-hour, we have this expansion here, swing to swing, retrace, and now price is down here into this snipe zone for this 12-hour move that price has produced, right? Price is here, and the concept of the market, swing to swing, retrace, continuation, right? But we want to analyze, because we know what price is doing here on the daily, giving this bearish retracement, or the start of this bearish retracement. So here on the 12-hour, what will we be looking for? Price to give bearish price action. You know what I mean? So, but we're analyzing what price is doing here, knowing that this is a move that price has produced, swing to swing, retrace, and you can anticipate a continuation. But we have to read the candles. We have to read price action to determine what price is doing here, to see if price is encountering that continuation, or if price is going to keep selling. So in order to know what price is doing there on the daily, and again, remember, in my previous video, this was the swing to swing, right? And we had our snipe zone. We had our snipe zone here, right? And then price got here, and what did price do? See, that's what it's about. We can anticipate price to give that continuation, like we analyzed. We can anticipate price. We know the concept of the market is swing to swing, retrace, and continuation. Price was here, and again, the continuation was what? Me analyzing the market and analyzing price action when price got here. I identified this as corrective price action. See, when price is encountering a continuation, you want the continuation to be impulsive. And like I say, if the continuation is more so corrective price action, then what more so follows a corrective price action continuation is a reversal. You know what I mean? This was supposed to be a continuation to the upside. The price action that we encountered was corrective, and then we established or encountered, boom, this bearish engulfing, which invalidated. I don't know why this always be over here. Which invalidated that swing. We now know price is bearish here on the 90-minute. Then what? Price encountered this internal retracement, or encountering this internal retracement, getting here, and then boom, We got this bearish engulfing inside of this bearish engulfing. As we are encountering this internal retracement, boom, bearish engulfing, swing to swing, if you will, retrace, and then boom, bearish engulfing again. So now we know price is encountering this bearish price action. This is that 12-hour snipe zone, right? And this is the 12-hour Fibonacci swing low to swing high, right? Now, that is the price action that we are encountering here on the 90-minute inside of the 12-hour to determine what price is doing here. Now that price has encountered this 12-hour snipe zone. You know what I mean? So we understand price is encountering this internal retracement, and we are at this 12-hour snipe zone. So we just want to read what price is doing at these levels to determine what price is going to do. You know what I mean? So there we have it. We know what levels that has been identified that can cause price to encounter its continuation. We know inside of this daily price action we have that 12-hour move that can cause price to push up higher. And there we have it, baby. We got the breaker structure. We know price gave this expansion, and now price has given this bearish engulfing or tweezer top, however you want to extrapolate this candle pattern. But we know price is in a bearish retracement now here on the daily, so we can be for sure looking for bearish price action. And again, we know what price has done here, and we know once price breaks structure, like it did here on the daily, once price breaks structure, price is more prone to encountering a retracement after breaking structure. And then also understanding that price has just encountered this expansion here, breaking structure and encountering this expansion. You can anticipate a pullback. You can anticipate a retracement because price is at a high of this, expansion. And then, of course, with this bearish engulfing here, we now know that price is about to encounter a pullback. So that's how I'm looking at the market. That's how I'm analyzing current price action in real time. And that's just what it is, baby. So, yeah, you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on.